Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we'll fix Windows error could not find recovery environment. This usually happens when this recovery partition is missing or disabled. So let's just get it working again. For that, you can check if your Windows RE is enabled or not. Hit Windows plus S and type in CMD in the search and run it as administrator. Once you run it as an administrator, it appears on your screen like this. Here, just go ahead and type in urgent/info. After that, hit enter and look out for your Windows RE status. Here, this is one right enabled. If it says disabled, that is why you can't access the recovery. So in the same command prompt, you can type in reagent C/enabled. If it is not enabled, type in enable and hit enter, and that will enable the program and you should be finding the operation being successful. Mine is already enabled, so I don't need to do it. But if it is disabled, you can just go ahead and enable it and you will be seeing the operation being successful. And another thing you can do is you can check for recovery partition. So open up disk management, hit Windows plus X, go over to disk management, hit enter. And once you open up disk management, you can look out for a small partition, 500 MB or something like that, and like labeled as recovery like this. And if it is missing, you will need a Windows 10 or 11 installation media to reset or repair. So you can use a bootable USB with Windows 11 and 10 and choose repair with your computer, and that should do it. You can reset your PC after that. And that's it. You can follow up these process if you'd like to fix the issue. So if the partition is missing, you can still recover using a bootable Windows USB. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe and drop a comment below. Thank you for watching.